Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share another episode of BC Games. Um, Honestly, I lost a lot of money over the weekend. Not a lot of money, I lost only like 250 bucks. But I would like to share with you one feature that I'm sure many of you already know about it. Some of you that don't. Over here in the wallet, if you click on that, you can actually stake money. This what you see that portion over here. I mean, obviously I'm not staking any Shiba because I have only like not even $1, so I cannot really stake that. Dogecoin I had over the weekend, I had 50 bucks, but I lost 45. That's only 460 I have left. BCD, which is the I think it stands for Bitcoin Diamond. That is the coin of the game. I'm staking only $1. So the things that you gotta keep in mind: if you stake in BCD, they'll give you 10% yearly, which is by 9.6% more than your bank will give to you. If you stake any other coin, will give you 5%. But honestly, in order to gain any money, you do need to stake over $1,000, obviously. And by the way, you can pull those money anytime. Right now, I'm gonna play on my last $4.60. So this is what I do. I go to transfer out. How much I want to transfer? I have only 15. And then will ask me for the security code that change every, I think, 16 seconds. I have it right here, and voila, I have it back on my my money to play. Now I would like to inform all of you new users that if you are using my link, I will refund you. No, if you using my link and you deposit at least $100, and whatever bonus you'll get from the game, I'll refund you. I'll send you actually via the game another $3. It's not much, but it's $3 more than what you will get otherwise. So just keep it in mind. I like to play Crush because I'm losing my money the most over here. See, somebody could won $53. Look how many reds. I'm gonna X out right now. I'm here. $3. You see, I invested $2.89. I gained $3. Honestly, if my balls will be a little bit stronger and bigger, I could have hold and X out at 5. But $3 better than nothing. So ooh, you see, if this guy would wait until 7, he could have made some good chunk of money. My biggest fear in that game that it's not gonna stop at 1, because it stopped many times, and that's a big problem. Okay, I X out at 1.31. I'm getting 89 cents, which is not that bad. Look at that guy, invested $200. He made within few seconds 215. Easy to make money, guys. It's easy, but you gotta be very careful. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to invest, what not, but it is possible to make money here, honestly. I like to use this chart because show you how many red in a row you had, how many greens in a row you had. The red is up until 1.99, then it's green up until 9.99, and then it's yellow. Now another way you can play this game, I'm sure most of you know, you can click over here instead of the classic, and then let's say you put 1 cent and you predict that's gonna be red, and if it will be red, you'll get 1.96. If you bet on green, you'll get 2 times more. You see, it's red, and I won 96. You see, it is, I mean, it's fine if you don't want to take too much off your time and play that game, you can use that. I rather to do that because first of all, um, if it's red, it obviously if it's red, you better to play the other game. But if it's green, you can exit at any time, and you're gonna get more than 2 for sure. Look at that, it's already like 4x. And if you would bet on here, you'll get only 2. So is that really worth it? I don't know. Okay, let me bid on that too. Let's see what's happened. How much I'm gonna lose right now. I'm not willing to lose too much, and I am exiting. $1.70. Listen, you saw that when I came to the game, I have $5 within like how much? Less than a minute, I made another $5. You gotta be careful. It is possible. It is possible to make money here. So you see, we had like 5.6, 2.16, 1.5. That's a problem. Somebody could have like lose a lot of money there. And you can see all the beats. I didn't play this game, but this guy beat 79. He lost that because he didn't exit at the right time. Let's see if I can win this game as well. I don't want to lose any money, honestly. I don't have money to lose. Chicken. 63 cents. Listen, 63 cents better than nothing because it's ended at 1.4. Oh, that's gonna be about. That's gonna be $3 lost. It's a slice of pizza right there. Very careful. Look at that guy. $83, $78. And I'm gonna exit 1.79. Not bad. $13. Listen, it is 13 minus 5. It is 8, right? $8 within 2 minutes. Is that bad? I don't think so. My biggest fear is not gonna be 1.5, 1.9, 1 point nothing, because that's where you lose the most money, and that's a problem. From here, right here, another $1.15. Listen, almost $15, almost $9 within like 2 minutes. Find me a job that you can make almost $10 within 2 minutes. I'll jump on this job. So that's my favorite game. There is plenty other games here. The live casino doesn't work in New York because it's restricting with a local, I guess, rules. By the way, you have these options over here. So this one, you can accomplish. I'm sorry for my English. Accomplish few different missions, and you'll get some points extra. You have the daily one, and you have the weekly one. I mean, one of the weekly I already achieved is $140. I invested $140 and I lost much more than that, so I'm fine. My goal, I'm already on VIP 14. Each and every VIP you get some extra miles, I will call it. Let's see what they actually giving you. Not even sure where you can see it. Okay, let's figure this out together. Wallet user information. No, it's not it. I know it should be somewhere around here. Maybe statistics. Neither. Global setting, probably not. Oh, VIP club. Duh. Okay, so first of all, so that you know, if you're a new player, I think you'll get 150 percent bonus if you for your first investment, and then I'm sorry, my bad. If I'm not mistaken, you get 80% for your first investment, 100% of your second investment, and 150% of your third investment, 180% of your fourth investment. On top of this, I'll give you $3 out of my own pocket. So listen, it's $3 more than you had yesterday. But obviously you can go through up all this getaway and VIP blah 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 and see what you actually can gain with the game. Okay, right now, as I mentioned, I'm standing on, doesn't let me see that. V13. That is my status. I'm getting very close to V14. Once I'm getting to V14, I'm getting some extra UPix, which is some extra money and some other things here. I'm not quite sure what's that. I'm not playing that for that status. I'm actually playing because I enjoy playing that. I actually came to that game because you can play Blackjack here. That was my first thing to do. And let me show you how the Blackjack, that is the Blackjack. Let me go back. Blackjack. You can you definitely playing to up computer, not live, because the live is restricted in New York. I live in New York. You can sit on that table, you can sit on that table, whatever you decide. I'll go on that table just to show you how the game goes. It's very easy to play, just like any other regular. So 5 Doge give me $1.56. I'll bet on that. 13, I can hit, double or stand. Let's hit it. 15, let's stay. Let's see if I'm losing or losing. Oh, I won. Okay, easy as that, right? So you can also bet like that. Let's say $5 and another $5. I mean, not $5, 5 Doge over here. If you get double card, the same. If it will be 2 and 2, you will get double of the amount you bet, which is amazing. Let's hit on that. 17, stay, and we won again. So you see, it's very entertainment. You have different games here, obviously. You choose whatever it's more convenient for you to play, and they are coming out with a few more new games. One of them called Mine, the other one is Magic Wheel, and the other one Color for. This actually already existing. I guess they're just making this game a little bit more up to date. So that will be it. You have plenty of slots machines here, different games. Most of them works. I can say even some of the slots I made money, some of the slots I lost money, like in any other game. So just to let you know. So right now, also before I'm ending the video, I would like to show you how you deposit the money back into staking. If you like to stake, you go to wallet, you go to wallet pro, and you choose the coin you wanna stake. I wanna do Doge. I took 15. I'm gonna put back 20 and transfer. Here you go. 20 Doges. It is $6.29. Honestly, once again, in order to get anything from this game, from this staking, you gotta stake over $1,000. I mean, the numbers talk for themselves. For example, $1,000 times 5%, 50 a year, divided by 50 a year, divided by 365 days. A day you will get only like 13 cents from $1,000, but it's not that bad, because at your traditional bank you will get I think that's what they pay now. You will get $4 a year, divided by 365 days. You will get 1 cent a year. I mean 1 cent a day. So compare 1 cent a day in your traditional bank or 13 cents a day in that game, and you decide what you want to do. Well, thank you for watching this small episode. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget, if you would like to play that game, my personal game right now, my favorite game is Crash. If you come using my link and you invest your first $100, you will get, if I'm not mistaken, 80% from the game, which is a lot of money. And on top of this, once I'll get a notification that you invested money, I'll transfer you $3 from my own pocket. Enjoy. Happy Memorial Day for everybody, and enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you, and bye bye.